All right, here we're at Costco now, and check it out. We got Racing Course OE. That's $55.99. Then you got the Maisto Special Edition die-cast cars. These are great-looking cars for $19.99. We got the cat here. The cat, what's the price on the cat? You don't have a price on the cat? There's no price on the cat here. I don't know why. Then we got some kites here. Got some killer-looking kites, man. These are cool-looking. Different types of kites. They're only $19.99. Got a bird, some kind of frog-looking thing, some kind of flaming shark or something. And the aircraft here, that's pretty cool. They got some cool ones here. Oh, there they are. There's the full display on the bottom here. Check that out. So they're really doing some toys up right now. $19.99 for that. The Balloon Time, $39.99. It's on sale. Ka-chow. On sale, Balloon Time. Just make all kinds of balloons with that. We got some Lego stuff going on here. Lego Botanical Assortment, $44.99. You've got a Lego Japanese Cherry Blossom here for $119.99. Boy, that ain't cheap. Probably got a lot of pieces in there. It's called Art. Speed, $19.74. On sale. This is on sale. So if you got to give a gift right now, it's the way to go. A bunch of balloons right here. Bunch of balloons, reusable 10-pack, $15.99. So when you hit them, it bursts open, and then you can close it back up and fill it up or whatever. I don't know how it works exactly. Here's some collector cards here, $39.99. And oh, look at this. Success with second grade puzzles and games. Man, look at that. And these are, of course, $9.99. There we go. Found the price on that one. $9.99. So what a deal. Success with workbooks, practice pages for the summer. Why should they be tortured during the year? They might as well torture them on the summer and make them do some more school. Here's a big box of Penn extra duty 20-pack tennis balls, $45.99. So if you're a tennis pro out there or just a tennis nut, $45.99 is a good deal. All right, we got some more here. Got a junior metal detector for $44.99. Check that out. Get them out there to go find rings and diamonds and all kinds of precious metal. Here we go for $449.99, and it's on sale. On sale. Regular $549. Is this B.O.B. Gearflex jogging stroller bundle. What a deal. Check that out. Here we go. For people that just got to have that electric scooter, $149.99. Happy Roll. Rainbow E3 Kids electric scooter. Check that out. Here's another one right here. Happy Roll. It's a black one. $149.99. Same thing. There it is right there. Not bad looking little guy. Then you got the big one here. This Phantom A10. This is supposed to be the top of the line here at the store. $399.99. There it is. There's the display. That's a big old sucker there. Here we go. Get that game again. Kerplunk. You keep pulling out the rods till the balls all fall. And that's $89.99. Good game right there. Here's another one. Guess Who? Quiestance Avida Quien. I don't know what that means. Some kind of Spanish. $89.99. Guess Who? So you just go over it and keep flipping until you match them. Here's the Tetris. Wow, that's back in the day. Back in the 70s Tetris. $89.99. And it's the physical form of Tetris. Then you've got the cornhole game here. Cornhole. $129.99. And a SLK Prime 2.0 pickleball set for $54.99 for those pickleballers out there. Check that out. That looks pretty cool at Costco. All right, check this one out here. This is the Tropical Splash Lagoon here, and it is $99.99. There it's in action right there. Check that out. That's some good summer fun right there, looks like. Right here you got the squirt guns, $19.99, and those are on sale. On sale right now, regular $25.99, so now they're $19.99, so super doggone cheap. Here's another one that's on sale. It's the X-Shot. It's another water blaster, $19.99. This is a Serago electric water blaster, so this one's electrically charged, $24.99. What a deal. Get out there and shoot it up, red or blue, $24.99. You've got the Zero X-Shot foam water blaster 6-pack. It's kind of like manual, like a manual shotgun or whatever, $11.99. On sale, regular $14.99. $11.99. Look at this big old thing up here. Big old thing. I don't even know where these are. Well, there's that big old slide right there. Look at that slide. That slide must be this thing. $229.99 is the slip and slide Air. Slip and slide air. Check it out. And then here's Hyper Strike. It's kind of like a bow and arrow system here. And that is $24.99. That's a good deal. And then here's the H2O. There's that guy right there. That one right here. There's the display. H2O Go. And this is $69.99. That's actually a pretty good deal for what size it is. It's humongous. Check that out at Costco. All right, Costco shoppers, check it out. The pepper spray is back. It's $19.99 for a pack of 4. And this is some good stuff right here. This will burn your face off, I'm telling you. If you want to keep dogs or criminals away, this is the stuff to have. Check it out. Guard dog pepper spray. But hey, it works on the bad guy too. All right, another one here is the Dynatrap. I like mine. I've had mine for years. All I've been doing is changing the bulbs. It catches a lot of bugs. $56.99 is a doggone good deal for the Dynatrap. Outdoor bug trap. Okay, this one right here is the Life Straw. 3-in-1 variety pack. And I tell you what, this guy's just slurping down, having a good old time. They say it works. I have not used one yet. I hope I never have to. And they say it works. $59.99. You can have one on station just in case you have to drink out of a pond or whatever. So I don't know. Or a toilet. So anyway, it's at Costco. $59.99. All right, here's another product that we use a lot in the house is these air mattresses when we have a lot of guests over. $62.99 on sale from $82.99. So it's $62.99 for an air mattress made by Sealy. These are great. You take good care of them. They last you a couple of years. So check it out at Costco. All right, if you're not into farmer's carry, if you know what I'm talking about for workout people, I like to carry weights and walk around or get on the treadmill with them. I know I'm ruining my feet and my knees, but I really don't care because I just do what I do. But if you want to do it without the weights in your hand, the weighted vest is the way to go. And this weighted vest, guess what? It's only $27.99 at Costco here. $27.99 weighted vest. I've used them before. I still like carrying free weights in my hands because it develops my grip and keeps it there because I'm getting old. So that's the way it is. Anyway, check it out. $27.99 weighted vest. Hey, for them golfers out there, check this out. Practice putting mat. So all you need is your club and you can get out there and get after it all day long. In the house, $59.99, or in the backyard maybe if you can set it up. But $59.99, you can practice your putting, your golf. That's a great deal. Check it out at Costco. Now, we've bought these before. These are the Callaway Golf Umbrella 2-pack. We use them more than just golf. These are great umbrellas for a 2-pack. It is awesome, and I love these umbrellas. They're very easy to put away, and they fit right in the car. $29.99. What a deal. Can't beat that. Costco. All right. They've got the ugly stick again, but this one's a full-sizer. A full-size ugly stick, $99.99. So check that out at Sam's Club here. Here's the display right here. So you can see the poles. $99.99. What a deal. Cannot beat it. Go fishing. Costco. All right, Costco shoppers, my favorite. Beach towels. Love them. These are for kids here, $9.99. Got a bunch of different things. They got a dino on there. Check that out. These are the different varieties they have. Pretty cool. Kids towel, beach towel, $9.99. And then the adult is $10.99. They have like this. Pretty cool. So, different patterns, different cool stuff. Beach towels, I love them. They really make it exciting at home to have a nice, cool towel that reminds you of the beach. Check it out at Costco. Once again, Costco has Life Vest. These are $49.99. $39.99 for little tykes. These are not a bad deal. And then they've got the small ones for $24.99, including goggles, $14.99. So this works out really good for my grandkids. They go to these water parks. They wear these things. It saves their life. So check it out at Costco. All right, folks, we're here at the Wall of Shame here. Costco, Conair high-speed digital hairdryer, $39.99 on sale. Shark Flex Fusion air styling system, $279.99. I can't use it, but maybe you can. All right, Oral-B I005. These toothbrushes will save your teeth. My wife likes this one, the round head. I like this one, the wide head. They both work great. They remove all the grime and grease off your teeth. I tell you, $119.99 on sale. Sonicare Advanced Clean, the one I like, $69.99, and it's cheaper. Cheaper, better, faster, stronger, in my opinion. Okay, here's another one, Sonicare. Same thing, the head I like, $129.99. What a deal. Check this out, Dyson V15 Detect Total Clean Extra Stick Vacuum, $599.99. You know, I cannot seem to get myself to pay the money for these type of vacuum cleaners, but man, my sister-in-law's got one, and she still has it. She's had it for years. I'm talking, I think she's had it for a decade now. So they're good products. I like the Shark here. Here we go. Got a Shark here for $239.99. And I've got now a battery-operated one, and it's been awesome. Check that out at Costco here. Here we go. You got the Shark Detect Performance Upright Vacuum with Dual Clean. I also have this one here. I don't have this new model, but I have the older model. It has survived 7 kids, in-laws, and everybody else abusing the heck out of it. It still works. $239.99. Here we go. Tenneco Geo H2O Hammered Cordless Ultra Mop and Vac. Ooh, I don't know if it's a steamer, but boy, that looks good. $219.99. And here you go. If you're just not into vacuuming at all, get yourself a robot. Check this thing out. $479.99. Robo Rock. All right, here's the Bissell Little Green Multi-Clean Portable Deep Cleaning Machine, $79.99. Just kind of put it down, turn it on, and walk away. Hope it's clean. Anyway, $79.99. Here we go. Tiger Synchro Cooking Rice Cooker. If you're into rice, that's the way to go. $79.99. What a deal. And my favorite, the Chefman Kettle, 1.8 liter with tea infuser, water heater, $26.99. Will get your coffee water ready to go. I use instant, so I'm always into coffee water. And that is the way to go there. I love the Chefman. All right, here we go. Nespresso Virtuo Next Coffee Espresso Maker. Look at that. You want to make something? My daughter's got one of these in the closet. It is just crazy. Man, it works like for a champ for her. $139.99. She likes to make her own espresso. I'm an instant coffee guy, so everybody has a choice in life. $139.99. Here we go. The Keurig K-Crema Single Serve Coffee Maker. This is very similar to the one we have in the office, and it's $149.99. I'm sure this thing will last you a good long time because our employees tear it up. Tear it up. I'm telling you, they really do. And it hasn't broke yet. Here we go. Here's another one. Starbucks by Nespresso Virtual Lime VP60 Count. $76.99. Multi-pack of good stuff here. What a deal. Check it out. It's got all kinds of stuff. So anyway, back to Febreze plug-in starter kit. 1 warmer plus 5 refills. These really make it smell good. We have one person that does the office like that in their office, and boy, it smells great. Here's the Spruce Weed and Grass Killer. $39.99. What a deal. And the Febreze is $15.99. So check it out, folks. What great deals, flowers and everything else here. All right, them grillers out there, check it out. This thing you need. I have one, and it is awesome. $26.99. $26.99. Barbecue Daddy. This thing really cleans. The pads just really rip it off. And it is awesome. You have a clean grill for cooking this weekend, and you're good to go. Check this out at Costco. All right, Costco shoppers, don't forget. Summer clothes is here. Swimwear, you name it, it's here. Men, women, children. I don't know about dogs, but everybody else, it's here. Check it out at Costco. Don't forget, folks, Costco has a Socklandia. Socklandia for children, women, men. Socklandia. Check it out at Costco. All right, Costco shoppers, check it out. They got this table again. The Lifetime table. This thing is so heavy duty, it'll last forever. Unless you got a bulldog like mine that likes to chew on these things. $179.99. What a deal. You sit out there, have a good break outside. Pretty cool. Large size. It'll seat 6 for sure. Probably 8 if you really wanted to squeeze them in. $179.99 at Costco. But that's not just all. We got a whole bunch of summer stuff here. We got Roundup for $49.99. You've got Pro Shield Land Fabric, $36.99. I'll tell you, that's a good deal, man. If you go to the regular stores, oh my gosh, you'll never be able to afford it. They got Shake and Feed for $24.99. They've got Scott's Max Southern Lawn Food for $53.99. Scott's Max Southern Weed and Feed, $52.99. That's on sale too. The Weed and Feed is. And then Max Weed and Feed Scott's, $60.99. That's on sale also. You got Easy Seed here, $57.99. You got the Max Grow Seed here, Bermuda Grass Seed, 10 pound, $77.99. Use my method. Follow my channel. Check it out. Look at how I plant grass seed. That's the way to do it. You got Supreme Garden Weed Preventer, $24.99. A lot of people say that's a good product. I've never used it. And then, of course, Miracle Grow Organic Choice Potting Mix, $9.49 on sale. That's a good deal. And then you got the Miracle Grow Organic Choice. That's the one I've been using, $9.99. What a deal. And they're getting low on these now. It's not like the billion pallets all over the place. This is it for this store. This is it. So maybe it's getting to the point where they're not going to have potting soil real soon here. So get it while you can. Ortho Weed Killer, Lawn Weed Killer, $24.99. And my favorite, Ortho Home Defense, $24.99. This is a great product, folks. When you're spraying for bugs, this is the stuff to get, man. Really works. Zevo Flying Insect Trap for $39.99. And, of course, Fire Ant Killer. That's a great stuff right there. Mix it with the little soap, $14.99. You're good to go. Check this out at Costco, folks. Here's some nice yard stuff here. I like this thing. I've seen it in motion. My neighbor got one in their lawn. It looks great. A Stylecraft two-tone metal wind spinner for $52.99. There's the real thing right there. It spins on both sides. It's awesome looking. It looks great. And they also got these things. They must have bought them side by side here, just like it is here at the store. $37.99 for the two-tone wind chimes. And if you're into hearing that all night long when the wind's going crazy, it's $37.99. Check it out at Costco. All right, Costco shoppers, here it comes. Check it out. They're back at Costco. Dinosaurs. Dinosaurs are back, folks. Check it out. $14.99 at Costco. All right, shoppers, check it out. This accent console is $499.99. So they're going to start getting this stuff in again. They've already got some Thomasville in. Those look really nice and comfortable. I think these are swivelers too. Yep, they sure are. Check that out. And they got a couch in, Thomasville couch. They got some stuff coming in right now that is definitely super nice. As you can check it out here. They got this chair here. And it's the big one here. This is $599.99. It's also, the brand name is, Silman Creek, I think it is. Silman Creek. So check these out at Costco. Oh, and this table I love. I have not gotten it yet. Gonna get it one day. $299.99. It's adjustable height desk with LED. These things are awesome. Oh, there it goes. I just touched it. The LED came on. What a cool desk. These desks are fantabulous. $299.99. What a deal. And Thomasville is here. So check it out at Costco. All right, folks. It's time to talk about rugs. And they've got them here. $29.99 gets you these guys right here. It's a Surya Glenhaven runner rug. It's pretty soft. Not bulldog soft, but pretty close. $29.99. $59.99 on sale is these Nurse Home Hastings indoor area carpet. This is pretty close. Pretty close. Almost bulldog soft. $59.99. And then they got the Thomasville Finlay area rug, $89.99. Oh, that's definitely getting close to a bulldog right there. Freshly washed bulldog, $89.99. And then the Laguna area rug, indoor outdoor, 7x10, $59.99. These are definitely cool looking. Good looking pattern too. Got a whole bunch of different patterns. Pretty good looking there. What a deal. $59.99 at Costco.